When it comes to stretchy fabric, you truly need a stretch stitch, a stretch needle, and that way when you sew a seam and you pull it, it doesn't pop. So on the Pfaff Expression 3.5 sewing machine, that stitch is stitch number 18. You'll notice that it looks like a little bit of a lightning bolt. And when we look at what foot we should use, it says foot 1A, so to use it with the dual feed. Of course, your feed dogs are up when we do this stitch. And it has adjusted our tension just a little bit. It's showing there 4.0, a little less than normal, so not so tight. So a nice gentle stitch. The stitch width and length, I usually just leave it set to where it needs to be and then just let the stitch do its thing. It's going to do kind of like this forward, back little lightning bolt. But what's nice is having that ability to stretch when it's all said and done. All right, let's just take a look. That should give us enough to get a feel for how this stitch is actually going to stretch. So this is what it's going to look like. It would open up nicely. So if you don't have a serger, which if you had a serger, that's exactly what you'd be doing. But look how far that stitch will stretch and it won't pop, and how perfect that seam lays. So find the right stitch, set it up with the right needle for the fabric you're working with, and you should have great results even on the stretchiest of fabrics.